SOLIDWORKS 2022 offers faster ways to access your designs from the start. Large Design Review Mode, introduced in a previous release, provides a lightning-fast way to open your large assemblies with very few limitations. The large and complex 6031 component Nemo submersible from U-Boat Works opens in merely 13 seconds, allowing you to get to work faster. New for 2022 is the ability to easily open drawings from a large design review assembly in detailing mode from the right mouse menu. Detailing mode is an extremely efficient way to both open and work on your existing drawing documents. Like opening the large assembly of the Nemo, the drawing is opened rather quickly as well in only 21 seconds. Detailing mode is a fully interactive way to work with large drawings that have already had their views created. In this environment, you can continue detailing your design, adding dimensions, notes, tables, and more. The ability to quickly access drawings from large design review mode in this way will streamline how you work with large complex designs. Additionally, in 2022, you can open sub-assemblies from large design review mode in this lightweight format as well. This ensures that you're not loading any unnecessary information that's not currently needed. Whenever you want access to the fully resolved models, you can choose to open them from the same right mouse menu. Likewise, when you can always resolve an assembly that is already open in large design review mode. This ability to access lightweight files and quickly switch between them will ensure you can work in the most efficient way possible. So in summary, there are lightning fast opening of large assemblies, there are new right-click options to open drawings in detailing mode, you can open sub-assemblies from LDR mode, and you can quickly switch between lightweight and resolved.